What is Zcash and how does it work? Cryptocurrencies are today becoming prevalent in the financial world, especially because they are getting more decentralized. However, this is raising concerns about the compromise of privacy issues among crypto users. Privacy issues are cropping up because of the architecture of most cryptocurrencies. The technology blockchain uses works like an open ledger, and transactions done by users can be easily tracked. This helps to curb corrupt and illegal activities but completely puts the privacy of users in jeopardy. As a result, new coins have emerged that can address the issues of privacy, and Zcash, Moreno, and Dash are some of the coins that offer complete privacy to users. The origins of Zcash. Zcash is a cryptocurrency that is decentralized and works as peer-to-peer digital coin that focuses on ensuring users can have private transactions. Zcash was created as a derivative of Bitcoin and has a limit of 21 million coins in circulation. Zcash differs from Bitcoin in that it offers users comprehensive privacy using a type of innovative and resourceful crypto code. Zcash was launched in 2016 and was previously known as Zerocoin Protocol before it was changed completely to Zerocash and then was ultimately renamed to Zcash. How Zcash functions. Zcash has been established on the principle of an extraordinary cryptographic protocol that protects the information of senders, receivers as well as the number of coins that is transacted between two cryptocurrency users. The coin is an open cryptocurrency project that works with what is known as a zk-SNARK protocol, which is a zero-knowledge succinct non-interactive argument of knowledge. This is a new technology for a cryptographic protocol that guarantees privacy, invisibility, and fungibility for the Zcash cryptocurrency. Nonetheless, privacy and anonymity are actualized by default since Zcash also has an option for transactions that are visible like Bitcoin. As a result, Zcash provides users with options for anonymity and privacy as well as transparency for users to choose what they prefer to work with. The system that was created by the cryptographers ensures that there is encryption, while the zk-SNARK protocol establishes that nobody has stolen or defrauded. The Zcash system is very much alike to Bitcoin, with the major difference being that users have a choice whether to encrypt or conceal their information. Zcash backs both transparent as well as protected addresses, and as a user, you get to decide if you prefer to send Zcash privately or publicly. Payments can also be transmitted from a protected address to a transparent one or from a transparent address to a protected one. In this case, the received balance will be visible in the first instance, while it will be concealed in the second instance. Depending on the wallet address, it is not too difficult to determine if an address is transparent or concealed. Addresses that start with T are transparent, work the same way Bitcoin works. Addresses that begin with Z are concealed and have improved privacy features that emanate from zero-knowledge proofs and are concealed addresses. Zcash can also function with multi-signature transactions, although these will not have the improved privacy features. Any type of transaction that can be undertaken in Bitcoin is also backed up with Zcash. The people that created Zcash was created by a team of engineers, scientists, and advisors at ZECC to develop and set up the Zcash protocol. Zuko Wilcox was the founder and CEO, a man with more than 20 years behind him working with open and decentralized systems, as well as experience with information systems, startups, and cryptography. The team was also drawn from 9 people that have worked with Bitcoin and Ethereum as engineers and advisors. Also in existence is the Zcash Foundation, a non-profit organization that works to improve and maintain the Zcash protocol, and to enhance the interest of users now and in the future. How you can use Zcash. You will need to get a wallet for Zcash before you can start using the cryptocurrency. There is an official Zcash client that has been designed only for users of Linux. A redesigned genre of the same has been developed by community members that use the Mac OS X and Windows platforms. There are other alternatives that members can use, including third-party wallet applications or even the Rocket multicurrency wallet, where users can store various cryptocurrencies like Zcash, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and many others. Rocket multicurrency wallet is an online-based wallet where individuals can create as many wallets and address as they require. The wallets and addresses can be accessed without any threats or dangers using a 2FA authentication, and also creating a backup seed if you require recreating the wallets. If you would like to keep a considerable amount of Zcash, one good wallet that is advisable to use is known as the Trezor and Ledger wallets that both can back up ZEC. These are standout products in the cryptocurrency markets for storage options. You will then be able to obtain Zcash by either buying it from through an exchange or through mining. There are numerous exchanges that include Zcash. There is no doubt that Zcash is one of the most appealing coins in the cryptocurrency market at the moment. Zcash was developed as a cryptocurrency with blockchain technology that was expected to take on the challenges that Bitcoin had because of weaknesses in privacy. So far it has accomplished what it was set out to do. People in the cryptocurrency world that highly value the convenience of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin but are interested in increased privacy will find that Zcash is one of the best options available in the market today. This is especially because Zcash offers all the activities that Bitcoin provides but gives users the option of choosing secure addresses. This means that Zcash can be used conveniently in the same manner without having to give up the privacy of users. This gives Zcash the potential to be an excellent cryptocurrency in the future, especially if it goes through further developments. The application of original and ingenious technology also shows that Zcash has potential because these are approaches that make the coin aggrandize and increase in popularity. Zcash is also on the good side of investors because they have shown that they are very supportive of it. It is quite clear that there is a reason why users are very interested in the privacy that Zcash has to offer in a world that continues to become transparent. Learn more at cryptonani.com.